You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word. I know it is. Many get it wrong. It's the name of an empire from history. If you want to learn more vocabulary from history that is confusing, stay tuned. Ottoman, that's the British English pronunciation. Be careful. American pronunciation is a little bit different. Ottoman. Stress on the first syllable. Ottoman. Now, the American English pronunciation, how to pronounce in the US, is usually pronounced as Ottoman, with a flap T that sounds like a D. Ottoman Empire, American English pronunciation, or Ottoman. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.